Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're talking to my friend Carlos. We're over here at the Happy Lamb. Carlos is in booth 877 and 879. So Carlos, show us around your store. Show us what you got.
Guys, yeah, we have a lot of collectibles right here. If you can see right here. Thank you guys for having put traders with us. It's 877. We have a lot of Barbie collectible Barbies from 1980s to 1999, 2000.
Wow, that's actually
a lot of collectibles.
That's actually the biggest Barbie selection I've ever seen, even compared to the big stores.
The way to the top, we have the vintage one, all the vintage ones.
Wow.
And also we have a lot of different collectibles like Star Wars, like custom things, custom warriors like Aztec warriors. That's,
right.
Some of my friend Israel make these ones, and sometimes I do by myself. I do like this Wolverine.
Oh wow.
World War II. I made it myself.
Oh wow.
Things like that. You have to be creative. Like to do all this kind of stuff. I have some Ninja Turtles right here.
Okay, so these are Ninja Turtles?
All customizing too, so I repainted,
Wow.
Yeah. And if you can see, we have a lot of things in the store. It's like a lot of things for a different collector people, like if you can tell.
Well, these are definitely things that you don't find in the regular bigger stores, right?
No, basically not. So you have to look for these items that they're not making this anymore.
Oh,
you don't see this in the regular stores anymore. So you have to look for this collection, like find these collections.
That's a big old selection.
Collectible stores like these.
What are these right here? These look like little coffins.
Living Dead doll collector.
Okay.
It's a collection of dolls.
Okay.
What the name is Living Dead Dolls Collection. So,
okay.
And they goes by series, like by numbers.
Okay.
Each number is different. Each collection it goes by numbers. So the more the lower the number, the collectible.
The more collectible it is. I see.
Yes.
Wow. So are those like how long have those been on the market? Is that something new? Is that something old?
No, this is already old already.
Okay.
A couple guys from Canada or something like that. They make this collection long time ago. They start with one little bitty doll, and then his collection start growing. It's all over the country.
Okay, I've just never seen that even in the big stores before, so it's pretty impressive.
Yeah. So we have some Marvel Legends collection, like all these Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, basically you find a lot of things that you don't see in the stores. 1980s. Also have a case on this side. We have a lot of 1980s stuff. Remember that I used to play with He-Man. All those He-Mans, Thundercats, all those collections. Yeah, Ghostbusters.
It's a big old selection.
And it's like a lot of people come to this store to look for rare toys.
For rare toys.
Pieces,
oh wow.
Yes. Like this is very rare to me. I don't know if you guys remember. This is from Mask. It's a collection of toys. Before Transformers used to be Mask, it was the cars converted to spaceships.
Okay.
And these are the drivers and all that. The cartoon, it was very fine. It was very, very interesting.
Yeah.
So wow. This is a good collection too. Some of the new stuff too, like Thundercats, new big bubbly heads, things like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Huge selection. Wow. Look at that. And what about on this side? Looks like you got a...
This is World War II G.I. Joes. Some of these G.I. Joes are very old, 1993 to 1996 G.I. Joes.
Okay.
And some of these toys, they are not G.I. Joes, some warrior soldiers or American soldiers. Like that. So this is a section of World War II things like that. Right,
that's probably one of the biggest selections of G.I. Joes and things. I've never.
A lot of customers come here to look for weapons and all the accessories for all those toys.
So look at that.
See all my customers, they come here to look for all these little pieces that you can find these little pieces online, very expensive. So we have a lot of these extra.
Look at everything! Oh my
all
God!
This case is full of weapons. That one's full of clothes.
Look
all
at
those
that.
clothes. Yeah, all for G.I. Joe soldiers.
Guys, if you're a collectible of G.I. Joes and you're missing anything, this is going to be the place to be.
Find it right here.
This is the biggest selection I've ever seen. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wow, that's huge.
Here here we have some of the Star Wars 12 inches collection.
I see. Look at the Star Wars. It's a
Yeah.
huge selection.
That's a Star Trek over there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I
Trek.
said Star Wars. That's Star
And
Trek. I
this
said.
is the Star Wars.
And then
from
Star
here,
Wars.
yeah.
Okay, my mistake.
And this is the Star Wars collections like this.
Okay.
This box is the most interesting collected series box. I like this personally myself because it's like a 3D logo right here.
Right.
And here on this part, it's got the history, who it was on the movie.
Okay.
What part of the movie play.
Right.
You know? And to me, this box is the most collectible box.
Okay.
So
I
that'll
see
be
you,
this one, yeah.
and you leave a lot of them in plastic. So I guess that.
Yes, yes. This collection actually was mine. I started this collection 1993, and I collect 258 boxes,
Okay.
258 pieces like this. So basically, this plastic is basically from 1996.
Oh wow.
Yeah, to
Wow.
protect the box. You know, a lot of collectors, they want the shape of the box, you know, in a good shape.
Right. I understand. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
And over here we got some Chucky's, you know.
Look on top.
Some horrible things,
Yeah.
some horrible movies.
How big are those figures at the very top? Those look like they're really tall.
I think it's 24 inches, a
Okay.
little bit more than 24 inches. Those,
Okay. So 2 feet
yeah, they're very collectibles already.
tall. Yeah. Wow. And who's this guy right here?
That's Van Helsing from the movie Van Helsing. His box is on the back.
Okay.
The box over there, but back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
We got some Terminators. This is Jigsaw from the movie Billy Jigsaw.
Look at that. Wow.
This is very interesting too because this is Chucky, custom Chucky. Some artists from Mexico made this one. One of my friends made this one.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you really got it going on. So you have like a lot of collectibles from all different movies and all different themes. Look at that.
This is the family. Basically, this Chucky family, it was from the store Spencer's back in those days. You know, like, and I make this case to make the whole family together with the frames, with a little light on the background. You know,
Wow.
the floor. And the whole case. It's not a glass, it's a plastic plexiglass. But
Yeah.
it's still protectable.
No, you did a really good job.
Thank you.
So guys, if you're looking for something collectible, I promise you Carlos has got to have it here because he has everything. This inventory is larger than what probably shows up on the video, but come out and visit him. He's here every weekend, and we're just showing you that Trader's Village has some really good quality stuff. So come out and visit him and check out his inventory.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Happy Line Collectibles, Trader's Village.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.